Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about something very unconventional, something that people don't really talk about like that. Hello, how you all doing? Welcome back to my channel once again. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much. Okay, so today I'm going to be talking about something very unconventional, something that people don't really talk about like that, and it's about children and their uniforms here in the UK. You know, if you're relocating with your family, some of you need to register your children in schools. The UK government has done us so much good by giving us free education, by giving our children free education. So the least we can do is to get them uniforms at least, So we came with the mentality from Nigeria that okay, we could buy uniforms in school, but we were wrong. We didn't get the memo. So this video is going to be talking about where you can buy uniforms for your children and the price range. We didn't know you could actually get uniforms from regular stores, like Next, like Tesco, like Pep and Co, like which other one, Marks and Spencer's. I mean, regular stores. Just go there, buy your children's uniform, and they are good to go. So just find them in school. Once you find them in school, the school will give you a list of where you can buy uniforms. So you just go there and buy their uniforms and the price ranges. So today is going to be a vlog day, so come along with me, enjoy as I take you around different stores and where you can find uniforms and their prices. So stick around and enjoy, guys. Let's go together. So this is Marks and Spencer. They sell children uniform as well. They sell shirts, pinafore, skirts, polo shirts, sports wears for children. So this is the one in my city where I stay. I'm sure there is a Marks and Spencer in every city here in the UK. So I decided to do a voiceover for this video, just so I don't constitute nuisance everywhere, with my voice, loud voice, and making noise all over the place. So this is Marks and Spencer. But guys, to be honest with you, Marks and Spencer uniforms are actually expensive. It should be like your last option, after you've exhausted all other options and you can't really find what you're looking for in other places. That's when you should come to Marks. I'm sorry, Marks and Spencer guys. I hope Marks and Spencer does not sue me for this. But really, they have almost everything. But the actual problem is that their prices are high. To be honest, you can find like half of the price of what you find in Marks and Spencer in other places. That is just how expensive their things are. So you can actually go to other stores. You find them less in price than Marks and Spencer. So this is it. They sell actually everything. Pinafores, check uniforms, polos, everything, socks, shoes. But the only problem is price. Yeah. So this is Tesco, guys. Tesco also sell children uniforms, all things uniform, all things school, from school bags to socks to shoes, everything you can think of. So this is Tesco in my city. Their prices are actually fair. They are better than that of Marks and Spencer. So you can actually opt for Tesco if you have anyone near you, or you can do online as well. There are so many of them online. I'm going to put all their names and links in the description box, so you can just order online if you don't want to stress yourself by walking in. But why not? If you have any Tesco around you, you can just walk in. You'll find your children's uniform there as well. But you can also order online. Some do embroidery, like there's this one called Elizabeth's Embroidery here in Sunderland. All they do is customize blazers, sportswear, PE wears, bags and everything for schools. So you can order online as well, and they'll have it delivered to your home. So this is the school section of Tesco. They have everything: pinafores, skirts, jackets. You can see their prices. They are actually fair, compared to that one in Marks and Spencer. This is £12 for one pinafore. I think I saw something like that for £14 or £16 in Marks and Spencer. So this one is £9, which is not bad. It depends on the quality, the age range as well. So this one is £6. I think I saw it for less in Peps and Co. So their prices actually differ. Some have it less, some have it more expensive than the rest. So this is the essence of this video, just so you can compare prices. I think Peps and Co actually have the best price, the most favorable price of all of them. There are things that actually cheaper. Peps and Co is usually beside Poundland. I think they are together. Poundland, Pep and Co. If you find any Poundland, there is a Pep and Co in it. So just walk into any Poundland and you find uniforms in the Pep and Co section. So this area is for the boys. You can see boys trousers, 2-in-1 packs, and it goes for £9, which is not so bad. They have school bags as well. So guys, this is Pep and Co. Like I said earlier, once you see a Poundland, there's definitely a Pep and Co in it. So I think among all of them, their prices are the most friendly. They have uniforms as well. You can even get a shirt from £2, £3 for children. I mean uniforms. So this is it. But you have to walk into the main store first before you locate where the Pep and Co is. It's usually at the back, or in some Poundlands. It's usually in one corner, as you're entering in front, and in some is at the back. Just try to look for where Pep and Co is. That's where you find children's uniform, from different sizes, different prices for both boys and girls. Yeah. So among all of them so far, with the ones I've seen, I think they have the best prices, like the most friendly prices among all of them. So this pinafore is £6, and I think I saw it at Marks and Spencer and Tesco for I think £9, or is it £10 thereabout. So there are things that are actually way cheaper here. If you ask me, they're cheaper. I actually got my daughter her uniform from here, and my son, I got their uniforms from here, so I can testify that Pep and Co actually have cheaper prices. Yes. So look out for Pep and Co. Okay guys, so you can see I actually saved the best for the last. So this shop here sell customized uniforms for various schools. This one here is in Sunderland. If you're in Sunderland and you're looking to buy uniforms, customized uniforms for your children, they are here in the city center. Just look out for Little Gems, that's the name, but online they are called the schooloutfit.com. You can actually order or just walk into their shop and buy. They sell customized blazers, customized sweaters, jackets, PE outfits, tie, bags, everything school that are customized. I think they work with the embroidery companies and they supply them with these uniforms. Apart from the regular plain pinafores and skirts and shirts that you can buy elsewhere, if you're looking to buy customized uniforms for your children, just look out for the one in your city. But for here in Sunderland, they are called Little Gems. Just look for Little Gems and you're good to go. So they sell customized, everything customized for different schools. So if you're looking to buy customized uniform, customized blazers for your children, look out for Little Gems. So guys, that's it guys. I hope you really enjoyed the vlog. So that's it. Basically, some of these uniforms are cheaper in some stores. They are cheaper in some places than other places, So why would I want to buy something I can find for less in another shop, except if you've exhausted all your options and you don't have any option than to buy in those designer places except for that. So please, if you want to buy your children's uniform, you know where to go now, and their prices. So that's it guys, till I see you again next time. Take care and God bless you. Bye.